this is Marcia. Welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. So in today's video I am going to be showing you what I did with the slow stitching foundation piece that Lynda sent in for my challenge. That was the Embrace Your Creativity Imperfections challenge, which is all about getting started with slow stitching, learning how to hand sew, embroidery, just putting pieces of fabric together, quilting. It incorporates all of these. So it's a really great, wonderful new style of hand sewing creativity. And so this is going to be a fun video, and it's going to be short. So I hope you'll watch the whole thing from beginning to end. And then I'm going to be doing the giveaway for April. So we had our first entry and I finished that piece. It was beautiful. And so now somebody who has been active participant here on my channel as a subscriber gets to be the winner. And also I'm going to be giving away 2 additional prizes, and one will be a $5 store credit for a USA mailing address and a $5 store credit for an international subscriber here on my channel. So that way everyone gets to participate, and what that means is that the ones who are going to be using the store credit will have to pay for their shipping and anything that's over the $5 store credit. But this is a great way for you to sample some of the things from my Etsy shop. So let's get started and let me show you what I did with Lynda's entry. Turned out absolutely darling. I kept it extremely simple and easy, and I'll show you what I did with that. And then also all of the rules for entering the giveaway will be in the description box below. But basically what I'm asking is that you subscribe to my channel with a public account so that I can verify that you are, and that you comment on 5 of my videos here on my channel starting from April 20th to April 30th. So if you've already been commenting earlier this week on my channel, well then you're already ahead of the game. So that's all I'm asking, is that you have been commenting on 5 videos from April 20th to the 30th, and then you are a subscriber here on my channel. So simple and easy for anyone to be able to take part. So let me take you over to my crafting area and I'll show you that beautiful embellishment that will be used for our May giveaway. Okay, so here we are. Decided to just keep it simple, and I added the blue polka dot yo-yo with the button in the center, the crochet flower circles, the memory and blessings, word sentiment, and a blanket stitch all around the edges. So this is going to be our May slow stitching giveaway. So I hope you like this, and whoever wins it for May, I hope you will enjoy it and be able to put it to use in one of your crafting projects. So I appreciate you being here with me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and look forward to seeing all the entries that are going to be coming in for the April giveaway prize. So stay safe, keep creating in the sunshine, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.